Niagara Falls is the most powerful waterfall in North America. Every minute, 4 million cubic feet of water flows over the falls. Niagara Falls has created a 7-mile, or 37,000 feet, long gorge with water erosion. A number of years ago, engineers took steps to slow the falls from eroding westward. Prior to that time, the falls were traveling backwards about 4 to 5 feet per year. Using this rate and simple division indicates that the falls are between 7,000 and 9,000 years old. But is this the correct date? Several factors could affect the erosion. What if there were more water in the past? What if the rock layers were more easily eroded shortly after the rock layers formed? Centuries after the flood, there could have been much more water. And the recently deposited rock layers might have been softer and more easily eroded. We can't actually prove the age of the falls, but evolution believer and promoter Charles Lyell visited Niagara Falls in 1841, anxious to find geological features which disproved the biblical time frame for creation and the flood. His goal was to cast doubt upon the Bible, and he stated that the falls eroded only 1 foot per year, although he was told otherwise, thus dating the falls to be 37,000 years old. This caused many to abandon the Scripture's chronology and to accept evolutionary concepts for geology. When we understand the actual erosion rate for Niagara Falls at 4 to 5 feet per year, we find the falls, sedimentary rock layers, and gorge had to have been recently created. Contrast this with the long ages required by evolution. According to evolutionists, the sediment and rock through which Niagara Falls has eroded the gorge is millions of years old. So why is the gorge only thousands of years in the making? Obviously, the biblical time frame fits the data much better. As always, the Bible stands true. In Job 38, verse 2, we read that God asked, "Who is this that darkeneth counsel by words without knowledge?"
The Bible stands every test we give it, for its author is divine. By grace alone I expect to live it and to prove it and make it mine. The Bible stands, though the hills may tumble, it will firmly stand. When the earth shall crumble, I will plant my feet on its firm foundation.